Hello, I'm John Michael Scalona and I'm thrilled to welcome you to this video presentation. Welcome to this brief guide on tools identification and safety. Whether you're DIY enthusiast, a handy person, or just some looking to use tool safety, this information is for you. In this guide, we'll simplify the process of recognizing common tools and provide essential safety tips to keep you and those around you out of harm's way. So let's get started and ensure you have the knowledge you need to work with tools confidently and safely. Tools identification is a crucial aspect of various fields and industries, including manufacturing, construction, healthcare, and more. It involves recognizing and understanding the specific tools and equipment used in the particular context. Safety. Knowing the right tool for a task helps to prevent accidents and injuries. Using the wrong tool or not understanding how to use tool properly can lead to dangerous situations. Identifying tools and their function is the first step towards ensuring a safe work environment. Efficiency. Using the appropriate tool for a task can significantly improve efficiency. It saves time and effort as the right tool is designed to perform a specific function efficiently. Proper tools identification streamlines work processes, increasing productivity. Quality. Many tasks require precision and accuracy. Identifying and using the correct tools ensures that work is done to the desired quality standards. This is particularly critical in industries such as manufacturing, where the product quality is a top priority. Cost effectiveness. Using the right tools prevents damage to the materials and equipment. It reduces the risk of rework or replacements, saving both in time and money in the long run. Proper tools identification is an essential component of cost-effective operations. Skill development. Learning to identify tools and their function is an integral part of vocational and technical education. It equips individuals with the knowledge and skills needed for various trades and professions, enhancing career prospects. Maintenance. Identifying tools also extend to understand how to care for and maintain them. Proper maintenance ensures that tools remain in good working condition, prolonging their lifespan and reducing replacement costs. Problem solving. In situations where a specific tools or solution is not readily available, being able to identify tools can help individuals adapt and find creative solutions to challenges. Hand tools are simple tools that you use with your hands, without needing electricity or batteries. They're like extension of your hands that help you do various tasks. Think of tools like hammers, screwdrivers, pliers, and wrenches. You hold them and use them to fix, build, or take things apart. Hand tools are essential for a long sort of jobs. From hanging a picture on the wall to repairing a bicycle, they're handy because they don't need any power source. Just use your muscle power to get the job done. Screwdriver. Used for turning screws to fasten and unfasten objects. These are various types of screwdrivers, such as flathead and Phillips. Hammer. Used for driving nails into removing nails from various materials, as well as for general striking and shaping tasks. Pliers. Versatile tools used for gripping, bending, cutting, and holding objects. Different types of pliers including needle nose pliers, slip joint pliers, and wire cutters. Wrenches. Used to tighten or loosen nuts and bolts. Common types of wrenches include adjustable wrenches, socket wrenches, and open-end wrenches. Saw. Various types of hand saw are used for cutting wood, metal, or plastic. Example include cross saw, rip saw, and capping saw. Allen wrench. Used for tightening or loosening screws with hexagonal sockets. Commonly found in furniture assembly. Power tools are like supercharged tools that use electricity, batteries, or air pressure to make tasks easier and faster. Unlike hand tools that need your muscle power, Power tools have a built-in motor or engine that does the work for you. Think of tools like electric drills, saws, and sanders. You press a button or trigger, and they do the cutting, drilling, or sanding with less effort from you. These tools are great for big projects or when you need to work quickly. So, in simple words, power tools are tools that use electricity and other power sources to help you get your work done faster and with less effort. Electric drill, used for drilling holes in various materials and for driving screws with the use of different attachments. Jigsaw, used for making curved cuts with woods, plastic, and metal by moving a reciprocating blade up and down. Circular saw, a handheld power saw with a rotating circular blade used for cutting various materials, especially wood. Angle grinder, a handheld tool with a rotating abrasive disc used for grinding, cutting, and polishing metal, stone, and concrete. Nail gun, used for quickly and consistently driving nails into various materials such as framing, roofing, and finishing nails. Measuring and marking tools are like your helpers for making sure things are the right size and in the right place when you're building or creating something. Measuring tools are like rulers or tapes that helps you figure out how long, wide, or tall something is. They give you precise numbers so you can cut or build things to fit perfectly. Marking tools are like pencils, chalk, or marker that let you make clear lines or marks on materials like wood or paper. These marks show you where to cut, drill, or put things together. They like your guide so that your work turns out just the way you want it to. Together, measuring and marking tools help you can plan and create things accurately. Tape measure, a flexible, retractable tool used for measuring distance and length. It typically features both metric and empirical units. Ruler, a straight edges with measuring tools with marking in inches or centimeter, used for measuring and marking lines on paper or other materials. Levels, tools used for determining whether a surface is level, horizontal, or plumb vertical. They often contain bubbles, vials for visual reference. Chalk line, a tool used to create straight, temporary lines on surfaces by snapping a string or cord coated with chalk. Cutting tools are like sharp helpers that you use to slice through different materials. They're designed to make it easier to separate things or shape them the way you want. Think of tools like scissors, knives, or saws. You use them to cut paper, food, or even wood. Imagine, you want to make a piece of wood shorter or shape in it in a specific design. Instead of using your hand, you can use cutting tools to do the job neatly and precisely. These tools have a sharp edges or teeth that do the cutting for you, so you can create or modify things with ease. In simple words, cutting tools are like your precision slicers for various tasks. Hacksaw, a hand tool with the fine-toothed blade used for cutting metals and plastic materials. Safety and PPE are all about protecting yourself from harm while doing different activities, especially those that could be a bit risky. Safety means doing things in a way that reduces the chances of accidents or injuries. It's like being careful and take precautions to stay out of trouble. For example, wearing a helmet when riding a bike is a safety measure to protect your head. PPE, which stands for Personal Protective Equipment, are the tools you use to shield yourself from possible dangers. They're like your superhero gear. For instance, if you wear safety goggles to shield your eyes when working with tools, that's using PPE to keep your eyes safe. So, safety is about being cautious, while PPE is like your armor that you wear to save in potentially risky situations. Safety helmets Protect the head from falling objects, impact, and electrical hazard commonly used in construction and industrial settings. Hearing protection includes earplug and ear muffs to protect against loud noises, commonly used in industries with high noise levels, such as construction and manufacturing. Dust masks, lightweight masks that protect against dust and particulate matter, often used in construction and woodworking. Safety glasses and goggles protect the eyes from flying debris, chemicals, or other hazards. Goggles provide additional protection against splashes and fumes. Cut-resistant gloves, designed to protect against cuts and punctures, often used in industries where sharp objects are handled, like metalworking. Chemical-resistant gloves protect the hand from exposure to chemicals, oils, acids, and other hazardous substances commonly used in laboratories and manufacturing. Safety shoes or steel-toed boots protect the feet from heavy objects, crushing, and punctures commonly used in construction and manufacturing. Now that you've learned the basic tools, identification, and safety, remember that knowledge is our greatest tools. Always take time to identify and understand the tools you're using and follow the safety guidelines we discussed. Whether you're fixing something around the house, working on a project, or using tools professionally, these principles will help you to protect you and others. Stay safe, keep learning, and enjoy your DIY endeavors.